everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Melina and I'm going to be leading you through some basic house fundamentals today. We're going to be teaching you 7 different steps within house dance, and then we're going to add it all together at the end to drill a new combination for you to practice on your own. Remember, this is a video, so if you get stuck, you can always pause and rewind and practice what you need to. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step we're going to go over today is called the jack. And the jack is the essential groove in all of house dance. So the more we explore different moves, you're going to see this groove in every single move we go over. So what you're going to do, your legs should be no bigger than your shoulder width apart. And you're going to have your knees bent in what's called a bounce. So just kind of bounce your knees, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now what's going to be happening as your knees are bending, your shoulders and your upper body are going to come back. So I'm coming as if I'm falling back and I fall into that bounce. Yeah, so let's try that slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and bounce. Back and bounce. Back and bounce and back and bounce. Okay? So, alright, now ready? From the side. We're going to come back and bounce. Back and bounce. Back and bounce. Back and bounce. Cool. So for now, your hands can just be on the side. You can either have them open or in light fists. Doesn't really matter as long as they're just relaxed by your side. Awesome. Now let's try it with music. All right, let's go, y'all. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, great job. So that was the jack. Now, the next step we're going to go over is called the reverse jack. And so, as you can tell by its name, reverse jack, it's going to be the opposite of the jack. So, instead of us coming back and down, we're actually going to come from down all the way up. So, my knees are bending, my body's coming up, and I'm hitting a wall. I like to pretend that there's a wall in front of me. So if I come all the way down and I'm breaking it down, I come 1 and hit and 2 and hit. All right, now we're going to do it to the side. Ready? We're going to break it down slow again as we did facing forward. 5, 6, 7, 8 and down and hit and down and hit and down and hit and down and stop. All right, now we're going to try it full tempo with the music. The first 2 times I'm going to be counting with you, but that third and last time we're just going to go for it all together. You ready? Let's get this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. And stop. Great job. Okay, so now this third move is going to be a variation of the reverse jack. Variation is just a fancy way of saying different kind. So it's going to have the same groove and the same feel. However, for this one, instead of just staying grounded, we're going to start picking up our legs, starting with the left leg. Go ahead and tap your left leg. We know what our left is. Yes, great. So we're going to start with the reverse jack, how we did originally, and picking up that left leg. So again, we're going to come down and hit. Yeah, and when I hit, I'm almost hitting at a diagonal, and my hands are just kind of they're naturally going to come over, okay? As soon as I'm done doing that, I'm going to come down again to hit my right side. Yup. Again, 1 and hit, 2 and hit. All right, same tempo, now to the side so you can see what it looks like. Let's go. 5, 6, remember, slow. Really pay attention to how our bodies are moving. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and hit and down and hit and down and hit and down and hit. Right, come on. Music. Ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On your own. Come on. Hey. So now we're going to go into the fourth move. The fourth move is going to be the only move that is different from every other move, because instead of really incorporating the jack or reverse jack, we're going to be jumping. So we're gonna start off with our feet together facing forward. And before I give you any direction, we're just gonna be jumping out, just down like this. So I come up, boom, and I come out, ha. And you really wanna be light with your feet. As we progress more in house dance, you're gonna come to realize that being light on your feet is the most important thing. So we're gonna come back in one more time, and out, and in. So now, with the direction, we're gonna be hitting our right diagonal and then our left diagonal. So, we're up high, then we're gonna come right, in, left, in, right, in, left, in. Okay? Again, being light with your feet, so important, and it'll be especially important if you live in an apartment. So, make sure you're light on your feet. All right, so now facing the side. Remember, we're not turning all the way completely, we're just simply turning to our diagonal. So we're gonna pick up the pace a little more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. All right. Now let's try it with music. Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2. Let's go. Ha. Hey! Good job, y'all. Good job. Good job. All right, you guys. There are only 3 moves left. So I want to encourage you to keep on pushing, and as a reminder, this is a video, so if there are any movements that you feel that you're still struggling with, go ahead and pause this video and go back to those time slots so you can watch them over and over and over again. There is no shame in practicing something over and over again. That is how you get better. So this 5th move, we're going back to the jack now. We're going back to the jack, and all we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be playing with where our feet are going. So we're jacking, right? We're jacking 2, then we're gonna step out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Last time, in, ha, ha, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're really keeping this jack, but instead of coming up and down, we're really thinking about keeping our bodies low and just simply stepping out the whole time. So just here low. Yeah. We're gonna show it to you, doing it to the side now. Okay, remember, we're stepping to the side and we're now picking up the pace. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're done. All right. So as you're watching us do it, you're gonna notice that our arms are kind of just free, doing whatever they like. If you feel a little uncomfortable and don't really know where your arms should go, you're just gonna pick them up one by one. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah. You're just switching. So if I'm staying still, I'm just switching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna step out. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, now the fun part. Let's do it with music. Remember, if it gets hard, just keep on going and don't give up on yourself. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Let's go. And stop. Great job, everyone. All right, let's get started with the 6th move. We're almost there, you guys. Keep pushing. For this next one, it's the same thing. We're taking this jack. And now for this variation, we're gonna be stepping to the back. So we're gonna start with our right foot. We're coming 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So arms, same thing. If you really don't know what to do with them, they're just coming forward. They're just kind of swinging, ha, swinging, ha. And same thing as we did here, we really want to be conscious that we're keeping that jack, but we're also staying low. Instead of thinking up, we're thinking low. Ha, 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 ha. Now, we're going to show it to you facing the side. All right, Now facing the side, and we are gonna pick up the tempo a little more. Ready, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. All right, let's do it with music now. Come on, we're almost to the finish line. Let's go, let's go, let's go, y'all. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Hey, hey, hey. All right, great job. Come on, come on. First, I just want to say great job because you have made it to the very last move. So for this, we're going to be variating the jack still. However, we're going to be picking up our feet instead of keeping them down. Okay, so for the previous two ones, we stepped out, yeah, and then we step back. For this next one, we're going to step out, and our foot is going to come and take us to the side. We're going to step, take us to the side, step, take us to the side, and step, and take us to the side. So what's really happening in that motion is I'm still jacking, and you're really gonna feel it when you pick up that leg. So like ha, 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 ha. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's really hard to do this one a little slower because there is so much momentum going on. So I want to challenge you to just go for it and try it continually with us. All right, we're gonna try it that same tempo. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. Okay, so one last note before we try it with music. Make sure, even though I'm jacking, my body's really twisting. Boom, ha, da. If I keep doing it, I should be able to turn around and see Maria and Perla, who are right behind me. Hey, hey, ah, ah. Cool. Let's try it with music. Y'all, 7th and last move. Let's go. 5, make it count, last move. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Come on. Hey, ah, hey, ah. Let's go. Come on. Give yourself a pat. Pat. Right there. Right there. Wow. So I may not be in person with you, but I can feel it and I can see that you're probably already going full out and ready for the next challenge. Now, the final challenge that we're going to have today is putting everything that we've learned all together into a short combination, or you can also call it choreography. Okay, so it is called a combination because we're adding it all together. So one last time, review it, rewind this video, pause where you need to, and really pay attention to any details that you feel you might have missed throughout the beginning of the video. Okay, so from the top of the combination, we're going to start with our regular jack for an 8 count. We're going to start. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, yeah, instead of coming back up, those knees are going to come back out for that reverse jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse jack again, but what that leg is going to do is going to come up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, that leg, this is going to be a little challenging. Your leg is going to come up and it's just going to come out. Boom, ha, boom, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, right away, we're going to take it to the side. In our jack, we're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the back. 1, 2, ha, 5, 6. Last one. Boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. All right. So that is an 8 count of every single move that we have done. You're going to notice that our arms are going to be a little different, and that's totally okay. Okay, again, if you don't know what to do, just kind of keep them relaxed. I like to snap a lot to keep me on rhythm, even when the music is playing. You can have light fists, you can open it up, and do whatever you want, but just be relaxed and don't tense up, yeah? Jacking in house in general is all about being loose, being free, and feeling the music. So don't worry if you mess up, just keep on going and find that freedom in the dance. So we're gonna try it faster, and then we're gonna try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, and 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pick that leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump out. Boom, ha, boom, ha. Hey, let's go to the side, 5, 6, now to the back. Hey, let's go. 5, 6, last move. Ha, boom, and you're done. Let's go. We're gonna run this one last time. Remember, you have pushed yourself all the way through this whole entire video and through each and every single basic fundamental step, okay? If you're tired, if you're out of breath, if you're sweating, that's totally okay. That's what happens when we dance and when we're physically active. So we're gonna do this one last time. Keep pushing, smile, have fun, and as a last reminder, this dance, and really any kind of dance, is about finding freedom and expressing ourselves and finding who we are. So if you don't look exactly like me, Maria, or Perla, that's totally fine. As long as you're getting the movement and being yourself, that's all that matters. So one last time, let's go. Let's go.
You, everything I need. It's you.
We're gonna do that. Listen to the music.
You got love.
Yep, feel the love, y'all. Hey.
You got love, it's unconditional.
Let's go. You got this. Come on. Almost there. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Hey. 5, 6, reverse it. Ha. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Pick the leg up. Ha. 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 Jump out. Boom. Ha. Boom. Ha. Let's go. Come on. Jack to the side. Hey. Come on. Be free. Hey. Last move. Push it. Let's go. Boom. Hey. Hey. Ha. Ha. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Hey.
Show me the water. Show me the water. Show me the water.
So glad you joined today's class. If this is totally new to you, we are so happy that you made it to our beginners class, because here at the Outkast Academy, we really believe that everyone can learn how to dance from the ground up. If you're a more experienced dancer, we're so thankful that you're here to learn your basics, because we could never forget our basics. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be uploading 2 to 3 videos a week at different levels. So if you feel that you're ready to take on that intermediate or advanced level, we got you covered. In addition, don't forget to follow us at the Outkast Academy on Instagram to stay updated with all of our content, including all the other programs we offer. So take care, and we'll see you soon.